Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Only Pans. Alright, so today we are going to be doing a ramen bowl gourmet dish. Chicken dish. I'm going to show you guys how to turn this into a family dinner that is going to feed up to about 3 to 4 people. So stay tuned. Let's make some magic happen. Okay guys, so what you're going to need, of course, is ramen noodle dish right here, bowl. Any kind of chicken you want. I got the air fried chicken parmesan bites. Some ginger, vegetables. It's really up to you what you want to use. I'm going to be using a mixture of vegetables, some garlic, minced garlic, and then I have the PF Chang sesame sauce. So let's get this party started. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, it is a microwavable bowl. Instead of putting it in a microwave, we're actually going to do stovetop right there. So we're going to add water in there, and everything that you would do as far as like putting the ingredients in the bowl, we're going to put it into a stir fryer. Now you want to make sure that you put in a little bit more water than normal because you got vegetables that are going to go in there first. Alright guys, so we have the vegetables and seasoning in there. We're going to put the top on there, let it cook. In the meantime, we're going to work on the chicken. So if you guys have an air fryer, you can always throw these in the air fryer. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put them in the microwave, defrost them, and then I'm going to throw them in a toaster oven to make them nice and crispy, because I like that crispy kind of thing going on with them. So let's pop these in the microwave, toaster oven, and then we're going to throw on the sauce for these air fried chicken parmesan bites. Okay, so we have vegetables cooking right there. We have the chicken bites, the parmesan chicken bites in the microwave. The reason why I chose parmesan chicken bites is because I wanted a little bit of flavor. Here's the bowl. Here's the seasoning right here. We're going to put this into the pot with the vegetables, and then we're going to break up the noodles soon after. Okay, so the seasoning and the spices are in there, so let's mix that up real quick, like so. Put that back on there. Let it simmer, and then we'll break up the noodles and toss them in there. Okay guys, so we have the noodles broken up. The reason why I broke them up is it'd be much easier to cook than instead of just throwing a lump of noodles in there. So pour the noodles in there, dump the noodles in there, like so. And then spread them around, and the spices and the water and the juices, like so. And let that simmer, let that fluff up. Right now, toaster oven right now, the chicken bites are baking. And then there you guys have it. Alright guys, so I got the noodles on low right now. It's going to fluff up in a minute. I'm going to add a little bit more seasoning to it. So I'm going to add some Italian seasoning to it. This is basil, oregano, rosemary, thyme, parsley, garlic right here. Just to add a little bit more flavor. You can add your own, seasoning to it, whatever you want. But there is that right there. So we're going to turn it off, let it fluff up. Take the toaster bites out of the toaster oven. The chicken bites, the toaster bites out of the toaster oven. And then we're going to put the sauce on them. Okay guys, so I put the chicken in the bowl. I put some sauce on the bottom. So we're going to put on some more sauce right here. You can cut these pieces up if you want to spread around the love. But for me, I'm the only one that's going to be eating them. So to your own liking, it's up to you if you want to cut them up or not. We're going to put them in here, put the top on, shake them up, and then everything should be good to go. Okay guys, there's the sesame chicken right there, all marinated. Let's transfer it over here. It's up to you guys. If you want to keep the noodles separated from the chicken, it's up to you. But I got all these juices in here, and I'm going to go ahead and throw them onto the noodles like so. If you want to mix them, it's up to you. I think mixing them and the flavor, I think it's just a little bit too much. And then there you guys have it. This will feed approximately 3 to 4 people right there. There's the chicken, and then the noodles and the vegetables. If you want to add more chicken, it's up to you. If you want to double it, you can double it. Double the noodle take. It's up to you how much noodles you want to make, how much noodles you love. Let's give it a test try, and I'll let you know how it came out. So, the chicken is amazing. Here's a little bit of the noodles right there. There's the chicken, and then there's the noodles right there. I should put it on a plate, but I'm not. Flavorful ramen noodles. If you guys like ramen noodles, add some chicken, vegetables to it, and you got yourself an entire meal for the day. If it's just you, it'll last for a couple of days, but man, everything turned out great right there. Sesame chicken with ramen noodles. You turned pretty much, what is it? I paid what, maybe $1 for the ramen noodles. The chicken, give or take, depending on what brand it is. Tyson chicken I got air fried. I think I paid like $8 for it. And then the vegetables, you know, depending on where you buy the vegetables, you know, and how much vegetables you use. You could I maybe use $2 worth of vegetables. So it's a meal pretty much under $10 that will feed the entire family. Try the noodles one more time. Noodles are amazing. Chicken is great. I hope this gave you guys some ideas. If I can speak, it's really, really good, man. The noodles are really good. The chicken is really good. Everything is really flavorful. The sesame chicken goes very, very well with the noodles and the vegetables. Somewhat of a healthy meal as well because the chicken is air fried. You know, you're getting your vegetable intake as well. And the noodles, you're getting your carbs. You know, you got to get your carbs from somewhere, right? So I definitely recommend it. Hopefully this gave you guys some good ideas on how to create a gourmet deal, a gourmet dinner deal for the entire family. So if you tuned in to watch this little program, thank you, and I will catch you in the next review. Peace out, everyone.